How has union organizing evolved for gig workers? Imagine trying to bring together a group of workers scattered across different cities, working for multiple platforms, with no shared workplace. That's the challenge gig workers face when they try to organize. Traditional unions were built for employees working in one place, with clear job protections. But gig workers are often classified as independent contractors, which means they don't have the same rights or access to collective bargaining. This legal difference has pushed union organizers to find new ways to support these workers. In the past, unions focused on workplaces like factories or offices, where workers shared a physical space. They relied on laws that protected employees' rights to form unions and negotiate wages and conditions. But gig workers are usually not in a single workplace, and many are not considered employees under the law. This has made it hard for traditional unions to include them in their efforts. To adapt, new groups have emerged that work mainly online. These digital organizations use social media and websites to connect workers who are spread out and working at different times. For example, the Freelancers Union in the United States offers advocacy, benefits, and community support for independent workers. Internationally, groups like FRENAP in Ecuador and UNIDAP in Colombia are forming unions for gig workers, even though they face legal and political hurdles. Union efforts now also focus on fighting employer misclassification, which is when companies wrongly label workers as independent contractors to avoid paying benefits. Organizers push for laws that recognize gig workers as employees or create new categories that give them rights to bargain collectively and access social protections. They also campaign against retaliation, which is when companies punish workers for trying to organize or speak out. Digital campaigning has become a key tool in this new approach. Workers can sign petitions, participate in online protests, and share their stories more easily than ever. Legal advocacy is also important, with efforts to appeal to labor ministries and international bodies like the International Labor Organization to recognize gig workers' rights. Overall, the way union organizing has changed for gig workers is about moving from traditional workplace-based models to flexible, online, and international strategies. These efforts aim to give gig workers a voice and better protections, despite the legal and logistical challenges they face. As laws evolve, so do the tactics, making it possible for more gig workers to unite and advocate for fair treatment.